that girl. I'm that girl. I'm that girl. I'm that girl. Been that girl. Walk in the room, make the whole thing swerve. Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today is not like any other day where I'm showing you how to use a GPT, but there is an update I have to make about the GPTs that I have created and the GPTs that will be created in the future. As of now, OpenAI has stopped the sharing ability of custom GPTs. And what that means is if I create a GPT, I can no longer share the link with you all to sell them to you. So there's going to be a little change. Now, if you have already purchased the links from me for the GPTs that you have, those links should still continue to work. They have not made that change yet. I can't speak on what will happen in the future, but right now they say that the links that already created should still work. And I have checked the I went to the back end. Let me show you. Let's go to the ColourPop Graphic Studio. I'm going to go back to the edit. And I am going to click on share. And it still says anyone with the link has access to this. So the GPTs that I've created, I created in anyone with the link mode. So that means you are still able to use them. So do not get rid of the links because we can't get the links back if you delete the GPT. So please bookmark or save your GPT. Do not get rid of the links. Okay. But that just means there's going to be some changes. Now, I am still going to be creating custom GPTs, but I'm going to be creating GPT kits so that you can build the GPT yourself. So I'm going to put all the instructions together, give you the name of it, or you can rename it if you want to. I'm going to tell you what it does. I'm going to, like I said, give you the instructions that you put directly into the back end. Also give you conversation starters and all the things that you will need to build the GPT yourself. So if you still would like that help, that's what I'm going to be doing from now on, since we cannot share the links. And I have no idea why this change came along, but I'm pretty sure in the coming days or maybe weeks, I'll get the answers that I need to keep going. What's the song say? One monkey don't stop no show. This thing gonna keep on rolling. That's exactly how I work my business. When one thing closes, one door closes, you can't get through the window, I'm going through the back door, I'm climbing up the chimney, I'm going down through the basement, whatever it takes to keep doing what I love to do. So, yeah, I just wanted to update you all that the links should still be working. But if your GPT for some reason has stopped working and it won't let you open the GPT anymore, please let me know. Down in the comments, just let me know what GPT has completely stopped working, and I will see what I can do. But Like I said, as of now, they all are still working. And if you would like to purchase them, they are still available. I just can't create any new links. So that's how that works. The links that have been created are safe. New links cannot be shared with you all. So the paper, the pretty paper studio, that was the last one that you all can buy outright. So if you don't have it, I've got lots of great reviews on it. You can still get it. But any GPTs that we come up with next, I'm going to be selling the entire kit so that you can build your own GPT. So this will be a step forward for you all who have no idea how to build a GPT. I'm going to be right over your shoulder showing you through video, and you're going to take the steps, and I'm going to also have the instructions for you. I'm going to give you a Google sheet or a PDF from Canva so that you all can do this yourself. All you have to do is, like we do when I tell you to follow along with me, you're going to get on your computer. I'm going to be on my computer. You're going to do exactly what I do so that you can get the GPT that I'm selling at that moment. So this should be fun. It's taking me out of my comfort zone, but that's no thing. I like a challenge. And when I was on Facebook scrolling and I saw someone post that you can't sell GPTs anymore, and I was like, what? People love my GPTs. What's going on? So I went straight to ChatGPT and asked what's going on with selling and sharing links, and I got information, and then I started watching a couple videos, and yeah, so that's all I wanted to let you all know. You can still use the GPTs. So please save them. I'm going to show you one more time how to save them. You go right here. You're going to go down to, mine says unpin because I have it pinned. It's going to say pin GPT. You click that and it's going to pin your GPT right here. And that way you won't lose that GPT whenever you want to use it. But that's all I have for you all today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and continue to do so. Until the next time, be blessed.
No small talk. Bag talk, no small talk. Big bag, big flay. Yeah. Bag talk, big moves. I don't do bro moves. Pretty face, pay mine, stepping in my own shoes. Cash app, contracts, orders coming back to back. If it ain't about the money, I don't know how to react.